All right, guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Today we're going to be checking out the Honda EU2000, and we're going to be hooking up to the RV. We're going to check the AC, the refrigerator, and any other appliances that a small generator like the 2000 watt Honda EU2000 should be able to run. First, before we get started, we're going to do a little sound test. And we're going to put it 20 feet. We're going to measure the decibels and see how loud it is and how quiet it will be in eco mode. So let's get that started. I'm gonna set it up, get it started, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, I got a tape measure and the sound meter. So we're gonna be measuring how loud this thing is. Let's see how loud it is. I'm gonna measure 20 feet. So let me get that started. Actually, let's do 25 feet. That's right there. 25 feet. Let's get this back. Okay. Right there. Let's get it started. I'm gonna start it off eco mode. See what we get. No, 56.3. 56.3 for the Honda. Let's switch eco mode on. $51.8 is the lowest I've seen. All right. Okay. Now that we got the sound, let's hook her up to the RV and see what she'll run. Okay, guys. We got the Honda a little closer so we can hook it up to the RV. So let's plug it in and see what she does. Okay, we have it on. Eco mode is on, and I think the first thing we should try, is the bare essentials like refrigerator and lights, stuff like that, and let's see what it does. Okay, let's get in there. Okay, first we'll turn on all the lights. Okay. Turn the refrigerator on. Oh, jumped up a little bit. Turn the TV on. Even that let it jump a little bit. That made it jump a little bit. Okay. So with all the lights, the refrigerator, and the TV, I really would like to know, would it start the AC? Now my AC does have the soft start, so that makes it easy for the generator, but the microwave should be Like, that should be a challenge. The microwave. I don't think it will run the microwave and the refrigerator. I'm trying to kind of recreate a boondocking situation. You'd have your fridge running at all times. Your TV might be on. But a 2000 watt generator, I just don't think it's made for running the AC all the time. It will cool the AC, the RV down, but it's not made for running the AC overnight. You'd really be stressing it out. I think that's more like a 3000 watt or a 2000 watt with parallel cable. You know, two of them together, doing 4000 watt. That should run the AC all night, but just one 2000 watt generator, I would just use that to cool the RV down. So let's try turn the AC on and see what happens. Let's get that all the way down. Cool. Let's see when that comes on. There's the fan. I don't think it started. Maybe it'll try again. There it goes. Let's go back inside and see what's going on. Yeah, it started the AC. AC's on. And that's with the AC, the refrigerator, and the TV, and all the lights. Even though the lights are technically on the battery charger is still using some power. Okay, so now let's turn off the AC and try the microwave. You think we should let's just try the microwave with the fridge and the TV on. So we'll turn the AC off. Give that a second, let it shut off. All right, so now let's try the microwave. I'm gonna see if it overloads the generator. I think it might. Let's check it out. Okay, I got a bowl of water. I'm gonna put that into the microwave. I'm gonna try to run it for a minute. There you go. 1 minute. Oh, she's going hard. Tell you what, it's running hard, but no overload light. It is running the microwave, the refrigerator, and the TV. I'll tell you what, I do not recommend this for more than a minute. Wow. And it's hot. Okay. So that was a test on the Honda EU2000. It ran the refrigerator, the TV, all the lights, the AC, and the microwave. Pretty good. I'm gonna put all the the wattage that it was running while it did those appliances on the bottom left, and we should be able to see what the performance was on this Honda EU2000. It's an awesome generator, real slick, lightweight, and that's another thing. Let's get the weight. Let's see how much she weighs. All right, we're gonna check the weight of the Honda EU2000. I'm gonna use this luggage scale. Hook it up and see what we get. All right, it says 48.8 pounds. Not bad. So, all right guys, this was the review of the Honda EU2000. You've seen what it run, you've seen the power output, and I checked the decibel and the weight. It's an awesome generator if you're considering buying a generator. The only thing is, this one starts at about $1,000. There are other choices, but most people love the Honda. So this was a review and test of the Honda EU2000. Well guys, that's it for this video. If you like the video, please like, please subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Have a nice day.